The fall 2018 issue of Edible Alaska will be out soon. Until then, we're celebrating our favorite seasonal recipes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make our popular pumpkin dog biscuit from 2016. The first thing that we're going to do is mix our wet ingredients. We're going to mix our pumpkin, our molasses, and our vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Instead of using canned pumpkin, you could also use pureed sweet potato. That's also another really great ingredient. Or if you have leftover roast pumpkin that you've had for dinner, you can throw it in these cookies as well. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to mix together our dry ingredients. We've already got our flour in the bowl. Then we're going to add our nutritional yeast and some salt. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients a little bit at a time to our wet ingredients. Mix it together, and then we'll add the other half of the dry ingredients. Once the dough starts to come together, we're going to pull it out of the bowl and onto a floured surface. I'm just flouring my counter. Then we're going to roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick, and then using any cutter that you want, go ahead and cut the biscuits. Once you've got your biscuits cut, lay them out on a prepared cookie sheet. I've just lined mine with parchment paper. And then we're going to stick those in a 350-degree oven for 12 minutes. But they're super easy to make, and I think it would be a really great weekend activity, especially if you've got some little helpers in the kitchen who want to help you bake something. They could make some dog biscuits for their furry family members. Our pets are part of the family, and so I like to feed them just like I would the rest of my family. If you're feeling more adventurous after you've made these dog biscuits, we've got a great recipe for pickled pumpkins that you could go ahead and give a try. For more recipes and tips, head to our website, edibleak.com.